In the last video we have talked about arithmetic operator. In this video we'll talk about relational operator. Let's start. In Java, how many relational operators we have? In Java we have total 6 relational operators. What are those? You can see in my screen. First one is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, and less than equal to. Now we'll do the hands-on. Okay, as you can see in my screen, there is a hello.java file. Let's open this file and you can see that we have got the class file and public static void main is written over there. Now let's do the hands-on. So how many operators we have? We have total 6 relational operators. So what are those that I have already discussed? That is equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, and less than equals to. So let's do that one by one. Now let's declare a variable that is int a equals to 10 and int b equals to 20. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll implement all those operators. Now what this operator returns? This operator returns the boolean. What we have to do, we have to declare a boolean. Suppose boolean check. We have declared a variable that is check. Now what we'll do, check equals to, so let's do with equal to operator, a equals to b. Now what this line will return, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. A is not equals to b, so this line will return false. Now what we'll get in check, so let me print the check, system.out.println check. Let's see that what output we'll get. Java C hello.java, we have compiled that in our class file, and Java hello. So what we have got, that is fault. So what are equals to sign return? So equals to operator return the false. Now we are left with 5 more operators. Now let's start with not equals to. So let me copy this and write this again. So a not equals to b, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. A not equals to b. So what it will return? It will return true. Let me check that again and see what we have got. We have got false and true. What this false is for? The false is for the 8th and 9th line, and the true is for the 11th and 12th line. I hope this portion is clear. Let me erase this codes, or let me modify this. Now we'll go for the greater than and less than. So you just pause this video and write in the chat section that what this line will return. A is greater than b, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. A is not greater than b, so what it will return? It will return false. And what this line will return? A is less than b, that is correct. The value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. You can see that system.out.println check, so it will return true. So let me compile this. I have compiled that and I am running this. So what we have got false and we have got true. Okay, so we are just left with 2 more relational operators. So what are those? Greater than equals to and less than equals to. I hope the output is clear to you. What we'll get false and true. I have compiled that and I've run that, and we have got the same value, that is false, and another one is true because a is less than b. So I hope the relational operator is clear. From the next video we'll start the bitwise operator. Thank you.